Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Boston cream pie. It is a vanilla cake with vanilla pastry cream between the layers, and it's topped with a chocolate ganache, so let's get started. First we'll make the vanilla pastry cream so that it has time to cool down. In a small saucepan add the sugar, cornstarch, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the egg, milk, and heavy cream, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then place the pot onto the stove. Whisk it occasionally at first to prevent lumps. And then once it starts simmering, whisk it constantly until it boils. And then once it's boiling, keep whisking it over the heat for about 30 seconds to a minute until it really thickens. Then remove it from the heat and add in the butter and vanilla extract and whisk them together until they're well combined and the butter is melted. Pour it into a small bowl, then cover it in plastic wrap and make sure the plastic wrap is actually touching the surface of the pastry cream so it doesn't form a skin on top. Then place it into the fridge for at least an hour until it's cooled down. While it's cooling, you can make the vanilla cake. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, add in the softened butter, and beat it on high speed for a few minutes until it becomes lighter in color. Then gradually add in the sugar while the mixer is running, and then continue beating it on high speed for about a minute. Turn it down to a medium speed, and then add in the eggs one at a time, making sure each one is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then add in the vanilla extract and the almond extract, and beat them in until they're combined. And now alternate adding the dry ingredients and the milk. Start by adding a third of the dry ingredients, then immediately add in half of the milk, then another third of the dry ingredients, then the rest of the milk, and then the rest of the dry ingredients, and mix it until it's just combined. Don't overmix the batter. And then finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing into the batter. Grease 2 9-inch round cake pans. Place a circle of parchment paper onto the bottom of each pan. And then divides the batter evenly between each pan. And then bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Run a butter knife around the edges of each cake to loosen it. Place them onto a cooling rack, and then remove the parchment paper from underneath. Then to make the chocolate ganache, pour the hot, heavy cream onto the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let it sit for at least 2 minutes. And then stir it until it's combined and all the chocolate chips have melted. Level the tops of your cakes. Place one of the layers onto your cake plate. And spread on the vanilla pastry cream. Then add the next cake layer on top. And then pour the chocolate ganache all over the top. And spread it around so that it also drips down the sides. Then cover it in plastic wrap. Place it into the fridge for at least 30 minutes until the ganache is set. And that's how to make a Boston cream pie. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.